And guys, today I would like to show you how to follow your friends on Strava app. At first open Strava, then go to your account and tap on this friends icon. Here you've got those two people right next to the settings. Tap on it and now you can either scan some QR code if you have some, you can go through all your contact list, and if someone has this account connected with a phone number, they will be all listed here. Then if your friends are connected with Facebook, and also if you are connected to Facebook, you will be able to find all your Facebook friends here, or you can find them and suggested friend, then just tap on follow to do it. That's it. And also you can tap on the search icon and enter name of your friend and smoothly follow. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.